care. That's fine after that kind of a weekend stretch Thanksgiving-wise. And do we have a treat for you? We've been talking turkey all week long, and look at these lovely rolls. They're all made by the Diva Q. And right over here, let me put these rolls somewhere. How about I'll put them right down there?
No worries.
And Danielle Dymowski, welcome. Welcome to A Morning.
Good morning.
And we're talking turkey. Look at this. We've got turkeys. We've got
turkey today.
How can I help?
You can. We need you to drizzle the asparagus.
Drizzle. I'm a good drizzler.
We get you to drizzle some asparagus.
Is this the drizzling here?
This is the drizzling.
Right here.
Yeah, this is
here we go.
Just drizzle back
drizzle
and forth.
away. Now, you recently took first place in Ottawa for chicken and ribs?
Yeah, we've got quite a few firsts this year. We've got 4 grand championships this year.
4 grand
championships, yeah. And,
4, so I should pay attention. I should really pay attention. You can help me.
You can enjoy some food today. How about that?
Oh, okay.
And we'll give you that. We need to sprinkle some stuff.
Sprinkle some stuff.
We have Buster Rhino's secret rib rub that actually works great on vegetables. And then we have a little bit of pepper.
A little bit of pepper.
And we've got quite a few things going on the barbecue today. We're going to show you that you can do just about anything on the barbecue, including an entire Thanksgiving meal and lots of turkey.
Oh, I like that talk. Now, this is, of course, this is completely skinned.
Yep. This is a boneless, skinless turkey breast. And if you have a smaller family and you just want to do something nice and simple, then we've mixed it with a Cajun rub and some butter and some canola oil. And we're going to actually put that on the barbecue very shortly.
Okay.
And then we've got some other turkeys going on today. We actually got a whole turkey that's been spatchcocked, which means that the back's been taken out. It's okay. It's all right. And then we have a whole traditional size turkey. It's about 15 pounds to show you that you can do anything on a barbecue.
Anything? Now,
anything.
I have to tell you, before we get going, normally this field behind us is full of turkeys.
I know. I've seen them.
Yeah.
I live in this area.
Okay, you've seen them.
It's very tempting.
Okay. So we don't expect to see them come by today because we're dealing with turkey out here.
No, I think they'd be a little sad.
They'd be a little sad. Okay.
Well, we understand that.
So what do we do? What can I help you with right now?
We're gonna go.
I drizzle.
I need you. You're gonna drizzle, and I want you to go and we're gonna go and put the brie on.
Brie?
We're gonna do this is a barbecue appetizer. And basically, it's super, super simple. All we've got right now is we've got some garlic that we've taken the top quarter off. We've drizzled a little bit of canola oil. Same rub that you're using over there, so echoing the flavors with a little bit of salt and pepper. We've got some squash on already because that'll take a little bit longer. So what we're waiting for is, I just need you to put that in the back of the grill.
This in the back of the grill?
In the back of the grill. That was hard, wasn't it? Are you okay?
I think so.
Okay. So we've got a whole round of brie. This is just a really simple holiday type appetizer. We're going to wait until the garlic roasts, and then once the brie just starts to bubble at the edges, we're going to pull it off, and then we're going to squeeze all this wonderful roasted garlic right onto that, and we're going to serve it with a little crostinis.
Ooh, little
real
crostinis.
Simple, real easy, not a big deal, not hard at all.
How long are we going to leave that brie and cranberry?
Probably about 25 minutes.
About 25 minutes?
25 minutes, yeah. And you know, the great thing about that is that you can customize the rest of the flavors on that brie. You know, you can put a little bit of orange zest on there. You can do certainly all of the wonderful herbs and like thyme and garlic and all those other wonderful things as well. Real simple.
Danielle, you've got my mouth watering out
wonderful.
here. Look at this beautiful, Traeger.
We love the pig.
You got to be careful not to touch the pig.
I have no fingertips.
You have no fingertips.
It's okay.
But we do have an appetite, and we're cooking out here in A Morning. We're talking turkey, as we have been all week. Many different ways to serve it up, and many different flavors. All that's coming up on A Morning.